Hey you lovely people, today I'll be showing you this very basic and easy chicken curry which you can easily replicate at home with just a few ingredients and few simple steps. So if you're a bachelor or going into the kitchen for the first time, then this recipe will definitely work for you. Do give it a try. So let's get started. To prepare this beautiful curry, first up in a bowl I am going to take 500 grams of chicken. So today I am using this chicken with bone. If you want, you can also use the boneless chicken instead. And if your chicken pieces are bigger, then you can also give them slits in between like this so that they are cooked easily. And now we are going to marinate them. So for this I am adding some salt, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 to 5 tablespoons of dahi or yogurt. This is fresh yogurt or dahi. Pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, and mix everything really well. And set it aside for at least half an hour. And if you can set it aside for more time, it's better. Next up in a pan or kadai, I am going to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. If you want, you can also use ghee, which gives a very good flavor in this dish. Once that is heated, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of zeera or the cumin seeds over medium flame. When the cumin seeds are nicely crackled, next goes in 2 to 3 green cardamom, which I am going to slightly crush or smash with my fingers. Next goes in a bay leaf, a piece of cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, 2 to 3 dried red chilies. So fry all the dry spices just for a while, do not turn them very dark. Once that is done, next I am going to add 3 to 4 onions which I have finely chopped. So today I am using this finely chopped onions for that grainy texture in the gravy. But if you want to make the process very quick and easy, then you can puree the onions also in the blender. Fry the onions for about 5 to 6 minutes over medium-high flame or until they are fully cooked, soft and golden brown in color. So keep cooking them and stirring them all the while so that they don't burn at the bottom of the pan. And while they are getting cooked, after 3 minutes I am adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. You can also use crushed or grated, and again cook them until its raw flavor goes away and it gets fully cooked with the onions. This will take some time, but the end result is really worth it. The onions should be nicely fried and golden brown in color. So after cooking it for almost about 6 to 7 minutes, you can see the onions are nicely golden fried. I mean, they are fully fried in this oil and they look good with this golden brown color on them. This is the color we are looking for. When it comes to this stage, we'll lower the flame because we are going to add in all the dry spices and we don't want them to burn. So first we'll add in very little turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and then we are adding just 2 teaspoons of besan or gram flour. Yes friends, we are adding this gram flour in this gravy because it helps in balancing the gravy. And with the help of this gram flour, you'll get that nice thickness in the gravy. Mix that as well. So we'll cook the gram flour along with the onions just for a while until its rawness goes away. And once that is done, after about 2 minutes, we'll add in the marinated chicken. So we'll cook the chicken along with the onions for about 6 to 7 minutes or until it gets nice white coating on outside. So it's been almost 6 minutes. You can see it's coated nicely with the masala on all the sides. It's nicely coated with all the masala which we used in the onions. At this stage, we are going to add in the tomato puree. So this is the regular raw tomato puree for which I have simply pureed 4 tomatoes in a blender. And after that, I am also adding some slit green chilies. And then cook the chicken along with the tomatoes for about 3 to 4 minutes. And when the tomatoes are nicely cooked and its rawness goes away, I am going to add in 1 cup of water. You can adjust the water accordingly. So guys, I added salt after I added the tomatoes. It's not shown in the video, so you can adjust the salt accordingly as per your taste. Give it a mix. And then I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it cook over low medium flame for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked, becomes soft, and it should also leave some oil from the sides. So today I'm using this kadai for cooking the chicken, but if you want you can simply follow the same procedure in the pressure cooker and just give one whistle and then lower the flame and keep for another 1 to 2 more minutes and then switch off the flame to get the desired consistency and gravy. So I cooked it for almost 9 minutes. Let's remove the lid and check. Wow, you can see the oil is floating on top. It's got nice color, like the beautiful red color which the chicken should have, and the chicken is also nicely cooked. And to check whether the chicken is done or not, you can simply pierce a fork or knife within, and if it comes out nicely, if it's like going through, that means the chicken is fully cooked. So now it's almost done, the gravy is almost done. You can see the chicken is soft, the oil is oozing out from the sides, that means it's properly done. I'll show you the consistency. It's perfect masaledar gravy. It's neither very thick nor very thin. It's a good chicken coating consistency. So at this stage we'll give few more touches. So at this stage we'll add in 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. This is roasted kasuri methi which I'm going to crush with the help of my hands and give it a mix. And next goes in half a teaspoon of garam masala followed by some fresh coriander. And again give everything a good mix just for a while. Now do not cook it for long, otherwise your chicken will become hard and rubbery. So this beautiful looking masaledar chicken curry is ready. You can enjoy this garma garam, that is hot with some steamed rice or roti on the side, for which also you can refer to my other videos. So I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. If yes, do like, share and subscribe for more such chicken recipes. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.